For families living in Celebration, Florida, home is more than just a place to relax, it's a sanctuary. Ensuring that your home is safe and secure is always a top priority, and while most people think of alarm systems or reinforced doors, one often overlooked element plays a crucial role in protecting your family: proper window installation. Windows are one of the most vulnerable points in any home, especially in Florida's climate, where humidity, storms, and high winds can put extra stress on your home's structure. When installed professionally and with the right materials, windows do far more than beautify your house. They become a first line of defense for your family's safety and peace of mind. Here's how expert window installation enhances home security for Celebration families. A strong foundation starts with proper installation. Even the most advanced, secure windows won't perform effectively if they're not installed correctly. Poor installation can leave gaps or misalignments between the window frame and wall, creating weak points that intruders can exploit or that allow drafts and moisture to sneak in. Professional installers use precision techniques to ensure every window fits snugly and securely within the frame. They use reinforced anchors, quality sealants, and weather-resistant materials designed to withstand Florida's conditions. For Celebration homes, many of which feature beautiful yet large and open designs, this precision is essential. A properly installed window adds structural integrity to your home and resists forced entry, helping you feel safe around the clock. Impact-resistant windows add a layer of protection in Florida, where storms and hurricanes are part of life. Impact-resistant windows offer both security and safety benefits. These windows are constructed with laminated glass that holds together even when shattered. Instead of breaking into dangerous shards, the glass remains adhered to its inner layer, preventing intruders, or debris during storms, from penetrating your home. When installed correctly, these windows not only protect against high winds but also deter break-ins. Burglars tend to look for easy access points, and the strength of impact-rated windows often sends them looking elsewhere. Combined with professional installation, these durable windows are one of the best investments for protecting both your property and your loved ones. Enhanced locking systems for family safety. Today's modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms that far outperform older models. From multi-point locks to hidden security latches, these systems make it extremely difficult for anyone to open a window from the outside. However, the true effectiveness of these locks depends on how well the window is installed. Professional installers ensure that locks align perfectly and engage smoothly, giving you full use of your security features. For Celebration families with children, window installers can also integrate child safety locks and limiters, allowing ventilation without compromising safety. This combination of precision installation and thoughtful design ensures both peace of mind and everyday practicality. Weatherproofing that strengthens security. Celebration's humid climate can affect window performance over time. Improperly sealed windows can warp, expand, or develop gaps that compromise both energy efficiency and security. Expert window installers use weatherproofing techniques, including insulated frames, moisture-resistant caulking, and tight seals, to keep your home protected from the elements. This not only prevents damage but also ensures your windows remain tightly secured in their frames, making it far harder for intruders to tamper with them. Properly weatherproofed windows can also help prevent glass from loosening due to structural shifting or humidity, keeping your home consistently secure year after year. Peace of mind through professional workmanship. There's a level of confidence that comes from knowing your windows have been installed by trained professionals who understand the unique needs of Florida homes. Local experts are familiar with Celebration's building codes, hurricane standards, and neighborhood aesthetics, ensuring that your windows not only enhance security but also complement your home's design. Professional installation often comes with warranties on both the windows and the workmanship, giving you long-term assurance that your investment is protected. A safer, stronger, more comfortable home. At the end of the day, window installation isn't just about aesthetics, it's about security, comfort, and peace of mind. When done properly, new windows can withstand storms, resist break-ins, and improve your home's energy efficiency, all while brightening your living spaces with natural light. For celebration families, investing in professional window installation is one of the smartest ways to ensure your home remains a safe haven. With durable materials, precise craftsmanship, and modern security features, you can rest easy knowing your family and property are well protected, no matter what the season brings. If you're considering new windows for your celebration home, trust experienced local professionals who understand how to combine style, safety, and lasting performance. Your peace of mind starts with the right installation.